Hello friends, welcome to CSS tutorial. In this video, we are going to see how to display font in small caps. There are two style value we can set with the font variant property. So the property here is font variant, and the value what we can supply to that is normal as well as small caps. So small caps means, as the name suggests, it is useful to mark text with capital letters, but the size of the font will be somewhat reduced in size compared to the original normal font. So that's why we call it as small caps. Once you go to the demo, that time you will come to know how to use it. And here if you see span dot small cap, and that's the class we are creating. The class here is scap, and for tag span we are applying it. And if you see, this is how we have to use it. Font variant small caps. And in the paragraph, so this is the paragraph, right? In the paragraph we apply specific portion with that small caps. So here is the span, and it is using the class scap. So the rule will be applied. So font size will be smaller, and we apply small caps to it. Now let's go to the demo and see how it works. Now we will create a new document. Alright, now this is our HTML content, and we haven't yet created the style, but we have a paragraph, and in that the specific portion is marked with a span class. So this span class is useful to apply specific formatting style within a paragraph. So let me save the content so that you can see that here. This is a sample paragraph to test the font variants, small caps and normal, right? Now let's apply the style here. And if you see, this time we are applying this to the span class. That means the style will be applied to this specific text. Here you can see that specific portion is here, right? Now let's save the content, and you can see because of this small font, test the font variants. So that is coming with the small font, and font variant is still normal. We will change it to small caps now. But you can see how the variant is, the font change is applied using the span class. Here this is normal text, but this specific portion is in small font. Font size is small. Now let's change this font variant as small caps, and we will save the content, and you can see all letters are now coming in capital letters, right? Let me put Ctrl+Z, save it. So this is the normal text, right? Test the font variant. And now here, when we put small caps, all will come in capital letter. Right, all these span surrounded text coming in capital letters. So that's the use of small caps. So that's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.